Now we're on to one of the most basic side dishes for a barbecue or cookout. That's chips and salsa. You can use any kind of chips you want. And we've chosen this one plate right here because it's a nice little oval. It can hold a lot, and it's got a little bowl for the salsa as well. To make the salsa, check out our other video. And also, if you bake these, go ahead. You can use red tortillas and blue tortilla corn chips. Well, right now we've chosen just the plain white tortilla corn chips. Now take the fresh salsa that we refrigerated overnight. You can see all the big chunks we have in there, the onion, the green pepper, the red pepper, and the tomatoes. You just want to scoop that in the side. Some of the juices have probably kicked in by now, but just let that soak into the bottom. You don't want this too runny. That's not what we're going for. And there you go. Serving the platter, chips and salsa.